Question: The statement was false. Answer: Yes. Question: The statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp. Answer: Yes.
Hi everyone. Today's verdict confirms what we have said from the beginning, that the claims against Johnny Depp are defamatory and unsupported by any evidence. We are grateful, so grateful to the jury for their careful deliberation, to the judge and the court staff who have devoted an enormous amount of time and resources towards this case.
早上你很开心又见面了。你有搭上强尼戴普与安柏赫德的互控官司列车吗？想必多少都有沾到酱油。这一场牵动全网的诽谤案，从4月11号开始展开，6周下来，过程是高潮迭起。在本列车启动前，容我温馨提醒：如果你是要看完整详细的整理分析，你现在跳车、弃车、换车都还来得及。这里只呈现片段及我个人感兴趣的部分，可以解读为精华版 （AKA 低配版 ）whatever。如果你可以接受，那就请上车，开始这趟神鬼奇航。我们现在了解为何会有这场官司，以及这对佳偶如何变怨偶的。2016年，安柏赫德有感于他在婚姻期间受到强尼戴普多次的暴力攻击，所以主动提出离婚。两人婚姻只维持15个月。当年两人达成和解，安柏拿到700万美元的和解金，到这里应该要画下句点。但为何又点燃战火呢？主要是在2018年发生2个重大转折。第一，先是7月份。英国《太阳报》称强尼戴普为家暴男，安柏说从2013年交往算起，已经遭到强尼14次家暴。强尼否认并提告《太阳报》，但2020年英国法院判强哥败诉，等于昭告天下，强尼戴普是法院认证的家暴男。华纳兄弟马上撤换掉本该是他的角色黑巫师葛林戴华德。第2个转折点则是8月份，安柏赫德投书《华盛顿邮报》，写下。我成为家暴受害者的公众象征，我感受到我们的文化对于勇敢发声的女性展现的敌意。虽然没有指名道姓，但大家心知肚明，他指的施暴者就是强尼戴普。在文章刊登后的4天，迪士尼解约《神鬼奇航》合约。曾经贵为好莱坞超级票房巨星的强尼戴普，一下子事业人格遭双杀出局。
Double kill。
他为了洗刷污名，才有了这一场他对安柏提告诽谤的世纪官司。
What have you lost as a result of Ms. Heard making these allegations against you?
Nothing less than everything. Nothing less than everything. Because when the allegations were made, when the allegations were rapidly circling the globe, telling people that I was a drunken, cocaine-fueled menace who beat women suddenly in my 50s. It's over. You know, you're done. So, what did it do to me? What effect did it have on me? I'll put it to you this way: no matter the outcome of this trial, the second the allegations were made against me, the accusations, the second that more and more of these things, as I said, metastasized and turned into fodder for the media. Once that happens, or once that happened, I lost then. That is to say, I lost because that is not a thing that anyone is gonna just put on your back for a short period of time. I will live with that for the rest of my life because of the allegations and because it was such a high-profile case. So I lost then, no matter the outcome of this trial. I'll carry that for the rest of my days.
在强尼必须赢、安柏不能输的情况下，我们来看双方的律师阵容。经过几轮交锋下来，安柏律师群的表现被网友戏称是淘宝律师。举例，一旦有关安柏鼻子的问题，安柏律师被对手打到怀疑人生。
Isn't he aware
It's
that
not.
Mr. Depp has testified under oath that he would not take another Pirates of the Caribbean franchise role for $300 million and a million alpacas?
No.
Would Disney
No.
entertain paying Mr. Depp more
Okay.
than $300 million and provide him with more than a million alpacas to be able to obtain his services for any future Pirates of the Caribbean role?
Oh my God.
No. I'm going to show you what has been marked as deposition exhibit number
It was just a joke.
52.
Objection, Your Honor, lack of foundation.
All right, I'll sustain the objection. Next question.
And what, if anything, did you produce to the plaintiff in connection with your consultation with an ENT specialist?
She's about to do it.
Relating to your nose?
Objection, leading,
Sustain.
What, I said, what if
foundation,
anything,
hearsay.
What if anything? It's not
Jeez.
the cure-all. It's sustain.
Bro, this is.
What, if any, production did you make to the plaintiffs of your medical records with the ENT?
Objection, Your Honor, lack of foundation.
If you
Bro.
only have foundation.
Do you know whether the records, medical records,
Oh my
from
God.
your EMT were produced in discovery? in this
Objection,
case?
Your Honor, lack of foundation calls for
Oh my
speculation.
God.
I'm asking.
Overruled if she knows.
Thank you.
Yes.
Great, we've made progress. Yes.
And do you recall? I'm trying. What, if anything, did the
Man.
medical records reflect about your nose?
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay.
I'll sustain the objection.
这边我先说明一下，为什么前面安柏律师所提的问题都可以被强尼律师一直反对成功。安柏律师的策略是想尝试让安柏口述他确实有这医疗记录，且给强尼看过，但奈何安柏阵营没有提交给法院任何医疗记录，所以就算安柏说有给强尼团队看过，也只能算无效的传闻公正。但强尼圣光女律师最厉害的是，她连让安柏回答的机会都不给，因此强尼的律师就可以一直提出以缺乏根据为由反对。要知道，如果强尼律师没有提反对，那么法官是不会禁止证人作答的。这也说明为何之前我们看到当强尼在证人席时，安柏的律师要不断的去提反对的原因了。虽然被大家常拿来哭诉搞笑，但简单的说，只要一直提反对，就可以让每一个问题都让法官决定是否合理，能否继续进行。所以，当法官其实很辛苦的哟。要不断在律师提问中自由心证，去判断反对方是否合理。那既然都没办法透过安柏回答去暗示陪审团有过这份医疗记录，安柏律师已经被逼到黔驴技穷的地步了，那他接下来还能怎么出招呢？
Do you have injuries to your nose?
Yes.
Please describe those to the jury.
Oh, okay. Now we're back
I
into
have,
fan
I'm
fiction.
going to
A bunch of
object
scar
to
tissue.
I'm going to object to the extent it calls for hearsay and lack of foundation
Overruled.
and improper expert opinion.
Well,
She can certainly testify too.
we'll see where it goes. Go ahead.
Okay.
We'll see where it goes.
I have a significant amount of scar tissue in my nose.
Objection, Your Honor.
I'll sustain the objection.
I don't have any more questions, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. All right, ma'am, you can have a seat next to your attorney.
Yeah, I bet. 3 out of 100 questions accepted. Yeah, exactly. That was terrible for them. That was really, man, that was bad.
大家有注意到影片中一直提反对的美女律师吗？她可以说是上天派给强尼的超强守护者，犹如漫威永恒族裘丽饰演的女战神圣娜。
Jessica, do you want me to close the shades? Okay. There's this light coming across.
So I appreciate that.
Has to be a
It's
little
probably good
uncomfortable.
light.
就是那道光，让卡蜜尔有了圣光女律师封号。人家不仅长得漂亮，更是2021全美最佳律师排名第1名。电报对手只是刚好而已。
You testified yesterday that you sought a temporary restraining order on May 27th, 2016, because you wanted to change your locks. Do you remember that testimony?
Yes, I do.
Those locks were to the penthouses at the Eastern Columbia building, isn't that correct?
That's correct.
But you changed the locks to the penthouses on May 22nd, 2016.
I attempted to.
这边我说明一下，圣光女律师卡蜜儿先跟安柏确认她昨天的证词，关于她更换家里门锁的事。大家请先谨记一件事情，那就是更换门锁的时间。强尼与安柏尚未离婚，这点非常重要。但为了不让安柏怀疑有他，卡蜜儿故意先提安柏已经申请对强尼限制令的事情，这样让安柏在心理上会觉得卡蜜儿只是在帮他强化自己，因为害怕强尼而不得不更换门锁。所以安柏对这个确认门锁时间就毫不犹豫的爽快同意了。但事实上，卡蜜儿的真正用意完全不是要围绕在安柏到底怕不怕强尼，而是有更大的尚未在法庭上秀出的超猛证据，要一次让安柏不可告人的秘密见光死。而这秘密将根本性的改变了整起家暴疑云，将安柏由原先看似被虐者身份转为婚姻里的背叛者。
That's why you felt comfortable having James Franco over the evening of May 22nd, 2016, Ms. Heard?
I do not know when James came over.
Okay, let's remind you. Can we please pull up Plaintiff's Exhibit 304, which is already in evidence? That's you and Mr. Franco on May 22nd, 2016, right, Ms. Heard?
That's correct.
And you're taking him up to the penthouses, aren't you?
That's where I lived, yes.
And it's past 11 p.m. at night, isn't that right?
I'm not quite sure of the time it looked like that.
Why don't we pull that video back up? $22:51. Almost midnight, right?
That's
Excuse me, almost 11 o'clock at night.
Exactly.
Okay. You knew Mr. Depp was out of town the week of May 21, 2016, didn't you?
I don't know what I knew of his schedule at the time.
You knew Mr. Depp was out of town on May 27th when you went to get the domestic violence restraining order, isn't that right?
I don't know if I knew that at the time.
You knew Mr. Depp was heading out on a European tour that week, isn't that right?
I'm not quite sure what I understood of his schedule at that time.
You knew he wouldn't be back for weeks, right?
No, that's incorrect.
强尼的律师阵营不仅精英派提出的证人各个强棒出击，像是强尼前女友超模凯特摩斯视讯作证打脸安柏天来的传闻。
Her back to the staircase, and Johnny swings at her, and I don't even wait I don't hesitate, I don't wait, I just in my head instantly think of
Watch
Kate
what he
Moss
does.
and the stairs, and I
Watch what the guy does.
swung at him. Kate Moss and the stairs, and I swung at him.
He's like, we got her. Oh, we got her.
Afternoon, your time. My name is Ben Chu from the firm of Brown Rudnick. Would you please state your full name for the record?
Kate Moss.
Miss Moss, where do you reside?
London, England.
From where are you testifying today, Miss Moss?
Gloucestershire, England.
Miss Moss, do you know Johnny Depp?
Yes, I do.
How do you know Mr. Depp?
I had a relationship with him.
Did there come a time when you and Mr. Depp had a romantic relationship?
Yes.
For how long, Ms. Moss, were you and Mr. Depp a romantic couple?
From 1993 to 1994 to 1998.
Ms. Moss, did there come a time when you, while you and Mr. Depp were a couple, that the two of you took a vacation together to the Golden Eye Resort in Jamaica?
Yes.
What, if anything, happened when you were in Jamaica with Mr. Depp?
We were leaving the room, and Johnny left the room before I did, and there had been a rainstorm, and as I left the room, I slid down the stairs, and I hurt my back.
How did you...
And
I apologize, Ms. Moss. Please continue.
And I screamed because I was because I didn't know what had happened to me, and I was in pain, and he came running back to help me and carried me to my room and got me medical attention.
Did Mr. Depp push you in any way down the stairs?
No.
During the course of your relationship, did he ever push you down any stairs?
No, he never pushed me, kicked me, or threw me down any stairs.
Ms. Moss, have you ever before today testified in any kind of court proceeding?
No, I have never.
Why did you decide to testify today?
Objection, Your Honor.
All right.
That's beyond the scope of what we just talked about.
All right, I'll sustain the objection.
Thank you, Ms. Moss. We have nothing further at this time. We greatly appreciate your taking the time to testify.
All right, any cross-examination?
No, Your Honor.
All right, you're free to go. Thank you, Ms. Moss.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
另外，专家证人血浓科里心理学家，他评估安柏有边缘型人格障碍与做作型人格障碍。科里博士也认为安柏严重夸大了宣称来自于强哥关系的创伤后压力症候群。比对他2016年跟现在的说辞，大家会比较清楚。
Ever punch Johnny Depp with a closed fist in the history of your relationship with Johnny?
Answer it however you feel you wish to.
One time, Johnny was hitting me, and he was hitting me hard and repeatedly, and I was screaming. He makes this motion.
I just remember this brief struggle we had before.
All we had was a little bit of separation, and my sister runs down the stairs. We're on a landing.
Ms. Heard, I must interrupt you because I've asked you a yes or no question.
Withdraw your question then, because
Ms.
she's
Heard,
answering.
prior to today's date, have you ever hit Johnny Depp?
He was about to push my sister down the stairs. She was attempting to break us up.
Kind of break away Whitney, my sister, all of a sudden put herself in between Johnny and I. She just threw herself like in the line of fire or whatever.
I'm protective over my baby sister. When he laid hands on her, I don't know what I did.
All of a sudden, I was trying to get Johnny to stop. Her back was to the staircase,
But I know I jumped in between the actions that I saw could lead to a fatal injury to my sister. She was standing on the top of a flight of the stairs, and she has never hurt anyone in her life, and she does not deserve to be pushed down the flight of stairs.
Johnny swings at her, and I just see my little sister with her back to the staircase, and Johnny swings at her, and I don't even wait for...
And it looked like she was about to be. And I would have done what anybody who has a child or a sister would have done. I acted defensively in her life.
他高傲，但是宅心仁厚；他谦虚，但是受万人敬仰。他究竟是神性的化身，还是地狱的使者呢？ 没人知道。
真実はいつも一つ。
Sophisticated way of minimizing any personal problems, externalization of blame, tending to have a lot of inner hostility that is attempted to be controlled, a tendency to be very self-righteous, but to also deny that self-righteousness and to judge others critically against these sort of high standards for moral value, but also to deny doing that. Essentially, the claim that one is very non-judgmental and accepting, and yet very full of praise, very needy of attention, acceptance, approval, very socially sophisticated. So that is, they have a capacity to kind of offer some of their faults, but only the ones that people think of lightly and can relate to. And so they can present as very fair and balanced, but in actuality they really might be very judgmental of others and unaware of problems in their behavior and their thinking.
I don't know what part of my body I put in between me and him and her.
And I swung at him.
最后引爆全网高潮的是狗仔界的拽哥马粪。当时摩根在 TMZ 里当狗仔，出庭是来还原2016年安柏对强尼申请临时禁制令不出法庭之后，有没有故意对着狗仔摆拍他的淤伤，以及强尼砸厨房柜子的影片外泄是不是安柏主导的？由于证词对安柏极为不利，律师自然火力全开，但他万万没想到自己丢出去的是把锋利的回力镖。
I am aware that there are cameras.
And so this gets you your 15 minutes of fame, doesn't
Objection, Your Honor. Argumentative.
I can ask that question. Overruled.
So I stand to gain nothing from this. I'm actually putting myself kind of in a target of TMZ, a very litigious organization, and I'm not seeking any 15 minutes here. Though you're welcome to speculate. I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you.
I find that to be purely logical. Now,
Look at you, my guy!
Mr. Depp's attorneys
Oh, God.
of the TRO.
双方攻防走到这儿，强尼在神队友开外挂的协助下，获得多数网友支持。安柏刚好相反，淘宝律师没让他捞到太多好处，同情分是开高走低，他自己本人的塑胶演技更让外界感冒。
我想哭，但是哭不出来。
Hold on. On the night of May 5th, that was the night Amber got punched multiple times from Johnny Depp.
Wait, I forgot to do something.
What?
I wanted to say, hi, Camille.
What? Stay focused. So on that night, you FaceTime Amber, and while you were talking, you also took a photo.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, I was concerned for my friend.
That's nice. Now, can you show the photo to the jury?
Judge, can I?
Yes, sir.
All right. Let me just mirror my screen here. All right, let's move this out of the way. Oh, I forgot that was here. Oh man, that's so embarrassing. Man, who did that?
Okay, can we please stay focused here?
Okay.
Could you please state your full name?
Yeah, I am Jason Momoa.
Mr. Momoa, do you know Amber Heard?
I do. Hi, Amber.
Don't talk to her. So how do you know Amber?
We work together on Aquaman.
So you work together as actors, right?
No, as janitors.
Mr. Momoa, you have to take this serious. He's not a janitor, he's actually Aquaman. Would you say you felt safe around Amber on the set?
Sure, I guess.
So there was not even one incident?
Well, I wouldn't say that.
Why? What happened?
Well, shall I say Amber's turn?
Mr. Momoa, how do you even know what that was? Did you even take a picture of Amber's Heard?
Since it's 12:30, you want to just take lunch?
All right, Camille. See you later. Love you. Call me.
Don't worry, Johnny. I still only have eyes for you.
You guys talking about me?
Stop talking.
同情你们，然后呢，换来这样的下场。
You can't hit a man. You can't hit anyone. You can't.
强尼泰普最在意被黑化的名声，透过安柏赫德撞墙式的证词中，似乎得以洗白，至少在高民意下，事业应该能够重新起飞。而安柏的后路感觉起来显得危险，他假扮的形象让多数人倒胃口，人气大跌，谁又敢用呢？未来事业充满变数，爱他就不要伤害他，暴力必须接受惩罚，说谎必须吞1000根针。如果你喜欢本集内容，记得看8遍，不喜欢的看2遍就好。小奥聊电影，感谢收看，拜拜。